Today is Thursday, April 21st. We'll take a look at autos today after GM announced a revenue and profit beat this morning. Looking pretty good on the fundamentals, so let's take a look at the charts. You can see this is as of the close yesterday. Price is now up against the resistance level. We'll get more on that in a minute, but have already broken through both this trend line from last December or last November and the 200-day average. The 200-day average is here in the greenish color. So even before earnings, people were buying this thing, and it looked pretty good technically. It was just one more hurdle to go here. RSI is good, volume is good, big volume in the last 2 days of gains, so that's good. Now I want to come back out and take a look at this ceiling, this resistance level. Look how far back that thing goes. So it's a meaningful area, and the important thing is that at the open today, if everything stays the way it is in the pre-market, at the open this thing is going to jump through it. Right now it's up over a buck, about 3.5% in the pre-market. So this is going to be a breakout. Of course, it has to hold into the close. So GM looking pretty good. And if we're looking at GM, we've got to take a look at Ford. It's a similar story, at least in terms of trend lines. You can see it's right at the 200-day average now. No news to speak of here. But we can expect this thing to follow suit going along with Ford. It is up a little bit in the pre-market. But there's a little difference here. It's not above its trend line. You can see it's still got a way to go to even reach this resistance level. And the 200-day average right now as resistance, just mentioned, but it should open up above that. Of course, it has to hold there. The biggest story is this trend line. So no breakout yet in Ford, although probably riding GM's coattails. So that's a story. We can look at the other stocks like Fiat, Chrysler. So I got that symbol right. Really not a very similar look at all. And the same with the Japanese stocks. There's Toyota. Japan is in a little different world right now. Honda. So the Japanese stocks, not quite the same as the quote American stocks. So GM looking pretty good. I think that would be the pick, and we'll leave it there.